first I'm going to be going in my illusion palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be going in this burnt orange shade and this light orange shade. I'm just going to tap into both of them, and I'm just going to just start blending that right above my crease. Sometimes I like to pack the colors onto my lid first before I start blending them out. I don't even know what to call this look. Orange crush smoky eye, I guess you could say. To be honest, I just winged it. I just knew that I needed to make a video, so I just sat down, you know, and did a little something something as I was watching Barely Parents. But now that I'm watching it like as an adult, or like, you know, that I'm older and not able to understand, there are a lot of inappropriate jokes like for kids to be watching that, and I'll just be like, hold up, did he just say what I think he just said? This brush is from Amazon. I literally don't know what kind of brush it's called, what kind of brush it is. It's just a brush that I use for my eyes. Like, they don't have any names on them or anything. They're literally just marble. Just marble brushes. That's it. But yeah, I'm gonna take a clean brush and I am going to tap into this light orange right here. And this is the BH Cosmetics Midnight City palette. And I'm not gonna take too much, but enough. And I'm going to blend that above and into that red and orange color. Burnt orange and red. I mean, burnt orange and orange color. Like, we get it, it's orange. Can I get it right? But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend it in. Back to what I was saying. So a lot of these kid shows are very inappropriate, and I don't know how to feel about it because I watched it, so it's like, are you really gonna stop anybody else from watching it? Because the shows are funny and they're good, but they're just like ridiculously like vulgar. Especially SpongeBob. Like, SpongeBob, everyone knows that SpongeBob is just, you know, over the top. Not something you need your kids to be watching. Need or want your kids to be watching. But it's a classic at the same time, so it's just like, who am I to stop my kids from, you know, watching something great? I'm going to dip into this dark chocolate down here in the same palette, but very lightly because this joint is pigmented. Like, when I start putting it on, you're gonna see. But I'm just gonna start, see how I'm tapping it and it's already coming off, honey. Yeah, I'm just gonna start and I'm gonna put that in my outer V, and then I am going to start blending it into my crease. Like, I'm just tapping it, just get a lot of product onto my lid, and then I'm just gonna start dragging it. I didn't really have anything to talk about when I came in here, but now that I'm thinking about it, I want to talk about cheating. If you know me, do you know I'm a big fan of Lil Baby, the rapper's baby mama, Jada. And I followed her before she was Lil Baby mama, and she was that girl, she was that chick before him, and still is now. But she had posted something on Twitter, can't remember exactly what it was, but people be going hard on her because he be cheating on her and she be taking him back. But I feel like, who knows, somebody's gonna cheat on them, and who can control how they feel when, you know, I'm going back in with that orange, when somebody cheats on them. Like, I do believe in second chances, however, not everybody deserves a second chance. That's where y'all get the game messed up. Not everybody deserves a second chance, because some people really do, you know, what they're doing. And she was like, we young, and she didn't expect nobody to be faithful to her. I expect everybody to be faithful to me. I'm with you, you need to be faithful to me. But I do understand the whole we young thing. Like, yeah, we young and people are gonna make mistakes. So that is very valid. And I mean, like, she got a whole baby with him. Like, come on, man. Like, you gotta make stuff work for the kids. That's just how I feel. You gotta make stuff work for the kids. That's just me. And that's just how I feel. But cheating in general, I just thought about that because I thought about her post. But in general, I just feel like men cheat more than women. Not that women don't cheat, but men cheat more. And I feel like men are more comfortable cheating. I feel like men be doing women dirty. Let's just be honest. And men be trying to get away with murder all the time. Like, literally. And the second that a woman cheat, then all hell break loose. But, you know, that's just my opinion. I've been cheated on before and it doesn't feel good. So, I'm just saying. But it didn't make me want to cheat back. That's just not at me. And I just feel like when you cheat, it's going to come back to you. And if you are, helping someone cheat, or if you're making yourself accessible to someone who's in a relationship, that is cheating. You're helping them cheat. And baby, the same way you get them is the same way you lose them. So if you think, oh, I stole her man, I took her man, okay, girl. A couple months from now, we gonna see. Like, I really don't understand. I think it's quite disgusting that girls be like, I took her man. Like, okay, baby. If you could take them, you can have them. But with that attitude, okay, let's see how long y'all last. I just feel like as girls, as women, you should want to support each other, be there for each other, not tear each other down over a man, a boy, because if he's doing all of that, he immature. He not grown. You don't know what he got going on in his life. But if y'all willing to put each other down for that, then he won. But I'm about to cut my crease. And mark it, boom. And then I'm gonna look down while I do it, and then, you know, just pull it on, cut the heck out of this crease, feel me? I'm gonna cut this right out. Blend in the concealer because I know you freaking lying. Oh, I could fix it. I smeared it a little bit, but that's my point. It's proving my point even more. LA Girl concealer is very tacky and like it be acting up. This brush is like kind of flat but round at the same time, and I'm about to go in and try and blend this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this flat brush and I'm gonna be going in my BH Cosmetics Illusion palette again and taking this like red shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna be packing this on my lid. This look came out really bad because I'm tired, y'all. Like, I've been up not really early, but I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I didn't sleep, y'all. I didn't go sleep till like 6 in the morning. 6 or 7, yeah, this morning. And then my family wanted to go in the day. And I didn't get back too dark. Like, y'all ever been somewhere with your family, like y'all leave during the day, or y'all leave in the morning and then y'all don't come back till dark, and it's like, what's going on? you help me hostage all day. In the Midnight City palette, I'm gonna take this bronzy gold because I didn't really like how bright red this is. Like, come on, especially when I use my orange as my transition shade and then I try to like smoke it out. I'm about to put this bronzy gold over it, and it's gonna look like Coca-Cola. Like, I wish I could see. It's not really doing it justice, but it's gonna look like Coca-Cola when I'm done. Period. $8, I spent $70, basically $8 in Marshall's on makeup, on name brand makeup, because if y'all didn't know, I'm not in a little secret. Marshall's is a place to go when you don't want to spend buku dollars for. Boom. $11.99. Yeah. Ka-ching. That's a steal. I got it for $11.99. And in the mall at Sephora, it was definitely $40. I would have been looking like a ghost today. Cause ain't no way I was spending $40 on some bronzer. No. But you know, God looked out. Per usual. When you can pay $20 to look good for a full face versus spending $1,000 for a full face, I mean, is it cheap or is it smart? Like, are y'all really just stupid, like dumb, idiots, whatever you want to call it? Like, synonym.com, please. Dictionary me. Cause I just feel like that's stupid. You're an idiot if you go and just decide to spend extra money for no reason. Okay, have fun. Go off, boo. Go off. Okay, yeah. I'm really messing this eye up over here. Like, it is blowing me. It's blowing me. Like, all the glitter is. It's really blowing me. I'm deleting this video. Or I gotta edit it to where it doesn't look as bad, because this looks horrid. Actually, I'm about to fix this hoe. I'm gonna give you something to talk about. Cause it ain't finna be me. I just want to say, this is random, but my favorite song right now is Fantasia's song, Enough. Enough by Fantasia. Y'all need to listen to that. Like, y'all know Fantasia is known for, like, type of music. And that's exactly what type of song it is. Like, it's not even a gospel song, though. So it's just like, how can you put me in type of mood without even talking to Jesus? Okay, I'm gonna just be honest. So I went in with this like peachy shade first, and then it started looking like white. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Like, no. So then I went in with this gold. I mean, that was gold, cause you know, I mean, like that's how I was feeling. $1 million. Period. That's it right there. That's it. That right there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I cannot get up starting, guys. But yeah, so I smoked out my lashes, my lower lash line. So now I'm going to apply some mascara, and then I'm going to put my lashes on, and we'll be right back to show y'all the finished look. Period. I almost forgot. Y'all almost let me go out here looking crazy. I'm about to set my face with my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. Period, sis. Okay. Now I'm a baddie. Okay, so I got my gloss. Your girl, she got the gloss. This my Ultra Lip Coconut Oil Lip Gloss by Broadway, because some days I like to be my face and then just have some nice juicy lips to go along with it. Okay, you feel me? I mean, like, look. You can never have too much gloss. mean, like, am I a 10 or what? But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below any video suggestions, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.